Good evening, guys. Today I have came forest park.
Yeah, here is the ticket counter. Yeah, each one 10 rupees. For each one 10 rupees. Okay. This is the gate. Here is the gate. Yes.
Finally, we have entered the forest park. See how beautiful it is and greenery all looking.
In Rgda we have two park. One is Gandhi Park, another is Forest Park. Yeah, some of sisters are they came to enjoy the nature in the evening time. See, they are going here. Yeah, thank you.
This is rose, my favorite rose.
Yeah,
How beautiful it is. So small. See, and here all the forest park is like looking like a forest only.
yeah. Oh, see, there are also beautiful flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
very good.
I belong to the anthropophile. I love flower. That's why I'm an anthropophile. And see how beautiful. Hey, marigold it is, yeah.
What is his name?
Marigold flower, yeah.
Oh, this is called marigold flower.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. They have.
How big it is.
This is big one, huh?
How nice it is looking, see?
Yeah, big also, huh?
Yeah, it's very big.
Oh, nice.
Small tree, big flower, wow. Nice looking. And this is called date. What you have written, Harinko Choiva Mana. We should not touch. But I,
Oh, Harinaku Choimba Mona. That means
I didn't follow
they have written that kids don't touch the deers. Okay, but video purpose we have touched that. Otherwise, our intention is not like that. Here also some beautiful flowers is there.
Wow, very nice colors. Different, same flower but different type of colors.
Yeah,
Nice.
very nice. See, in forest park. Oh, some of parents are also there. Very nice, very nice. Oh, children are.
Tree. This is called, I don't know what I
What is this?
I don't know. I think so that is.
That also very nice. Oh, very nice. Oh, don't touch.
And something, the forest park is under CCTV surveillance list now. It is under, we are in under many CCTV footage.
Yeah,
This is dustbin. Excuse me. This is called dustbin.
dustbin. Yeah, here some children are playing.
Yes.
The kids are playing here. Very nice. They are enjoying. Yeah, very good. Very nice here. The people are those who are coming to visit the forest park. They are taking photo here. This is one of the very nicely they have made it. So I will say that.
Take some photos.
Oh, very nice, very nice. See here, people are enjoying.
Stand back.
Very nice, very nice.
Yay, how nice flower.
Here, here.
That is
This is canteen, huh? This is forest park canteen.
Yeah, one is enough for us. It is stage, something, dance, birthday party or something program.
Oh, very good.
People are going to here. This is called frog, but this is dustbin. How nicely they have made. Then nothing is there. We'll move.
Yeah.
We'll move.
అట్లా అదిగా లోపల ఉంటే రెయ్యాలంటే రా ఇక్కడ
What type of flower this is? I don't know.
Oh, very nice. Beautiful flower.
Elephant. How beautiful they have prepared this tree. Wow. It's looking like a human. This is called tree. Beautiful they have prepared.
Here is Lord Buddha.
I'm busy knitting.
Very good.
এই মুরগি রে রে মার 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 কে মার 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 যা মুরগি লে রে বন্তি রে মার 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 মার
Wow.
হেড মার
How beautiful they have prepared it.
Here is the tiger.
Baga ko chira mana we should not touch, but once I have to take this.
Here they have written बाघों को छुएगा मना. यहाँ पे हम नहीं छू सकते हैं. जो टाइगर है ना उसको हम नहीं छू सकते. वो मना कर दिए हैं. Very good. Here are the children's playground. How beautifully children are playing here. See, parents are there. Children are playing. Very nice.
Not use. It has broken.
Oh, it has broken. Oh, nice. Oh, oh, oh. It's very nice. Yeah, this is only for kids. See the small kids came here.
Oh, someone have to play with you. Friends, in Forest Park they have providing this swimming pool, small swimming pool for only kids, not for youngsters.
Yeah, good. See here, the, the forest park they have provided the swimming pools only for kids. Here one kid is there. Nicely she's playing. Very good. Good.
हाँ उसी तरह घुमाइए घुमाइए
You want तुम भी खेलोगे क्या वहाँ पर? तुम्हें भी जाना है ना?
वो लग रही
जाना है। कौन सा क्लास में अभी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो बोलो? हाँ? M3. Very good boys. हाँ? What is this? What is this called? What is this called? बोलो. What is this? Okay.
Bye friends, now we have completed Forest Park to move. Now we should leave. Next video will come and we'll make another new video. And it's tonight also, we have to leave.
Yeah.
Bye bye, we'll see you in another video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel and give me a lots of love.
Very good. Very good.
Till then, bye bye, tata.